Imagine a land where every corner tells a story, where every moment is a celebration of life. Welcome to Spain, a country rich in history, culture, and a zest for life that is contagious. From the sun-kissed beaches of Costa Brava to the historic streets of Seville, Spain's diverse landscapes are a testament to its rich cultural heritage and geographical diversity. Every region, every city, every village in Spain carries its own distinct flavor. It's a country where tradition and innovation go hand in hand, where centuries-old cathedrals stand tall amidst modern skyscrapers. It's a place where art is not confined to museums but spills out onto the streets, into the architecture, the food, and the very air you breathe. Spain is a symphony of languages, from the lyrical lilt of Castilian Spanish to the distinctive tones of Catalan, Basque, and Galician. It's a melting pot of cultures, where Moorish minarets and Roman aqueducts stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time and the blending of civilizations. But Spain is not just about the past. It's a country on the move, with one foot firmly rooted in its traditions, and the other striding confidently towards the future. It's a place where the old and the new intermingle and create something uniquely Spanish. In this video, we'll explore the magic of Spain, from its vibrant festivals that paint the streets in a riot of color, to its mouth-watering cuisine that's a feast for all the senses. We'll wander through its grand monuments that whisper tales of the past, and venture off the beaten path to discover hidden gems that lie waiting to be discovered. We'll also share some practical tips for navigating this beautiful country, whether you're a seasoned traveler or setting off on your first Spanish adventure. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart and soul of Spain. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore the heart and soul of this vibrant nation. In Spain, tradition and passion weave together, creating a tapestry as vibrant as their world-famous festivals. Every year, the Spanish calendar is punctuated with a myriad of celebrations that echo the nation's history, diversity, and sheer love for life. Take La Tomatina, for instance, an eccentric festival that paints the town of Buñol red with overripe tomatoes. Born out of a spontaneous food fight in the mid-20th century, this festival has since evolved into a symbol of unity and merriment, drawing fun-seekers from around the globe. It's a peculiar sight indeed, but one that encapsulates the Spanish spirit of joy and camaraderie. In stark contrast, yet equally exhilarating, is the running of the bulls, an age-old tradition in the city of Pamplona. This adrenaline-fueled event, part of the San Fermin festival, may not be for the faint-hearted, but it is a spectacle that showcases the Spanish people's respect for and connection with these magnificent creatures. Then there are the vibrant flamenco festivals of Andalusia, where the rhythmic tap of shoes and the soulful strumming of guitars echo through the night, stirring the soul and captivating the senses. Flamenco is more than just a dance or a musical style. It's an expression of emotion, a narrative of the Andalusian people's historical struggles and triumphs. And let's not forget the Gran Fallas Festival of Valencia, where magnificent monuments made of paper and wood light up the night sky in a spectacular blaze. This event marks the arrival of spring and is a testament to the Spanish people's creativity, craftsmanship, and their penchant for community celebrations. These festivals capture the essence of Spanish spirit, a spirit of joy, camaraderie, and a zest for life. They are the threads that weave the rich tapestry of Spanish culture, a culture that's as diverse and vibrant as the people who celebrate it. Spanish cuisine is a symphony of flavors. From the humble yet flavorful tapas to the iconic paella, every dish tells a story. This is a land where food is not merely a means to satiate hunger, but a celebration of life, an art form, and a testament to the rich tapestry of cultures that have shaped Spain's history. Imagine walking through bustling local markets, where the air is filled with an intoxicating blend of aromas. From the ripe tomatoes and fresh olives to the salty tang of the sea wafting from the fishmonger's stall, every scent is a tantalizing invitation to explore Spain's culinary landscape. Now picture yourself in a tapas bar, filled with laughter, clinking glasses, and the lively chatter of locals. Tapas are more than just appetizers in Spain. They're a way of life. Each bite-sized delight, whether it's patatas bravas, gambas al ajillo, or chorizo and red wine, is a burst of flavor that perfectly complements the convivial atmosphere. But the star of Spanish cuisine is, without doubt, the paella. This iconic dish, hailing from the sunny shores of Valencia, is a feast for the senses. The vibrant colors of saffron-infused rice, mixed with a variety of meats, seafood, and vegetables, are a sight to behold. The process of cooking paella is a spectacle in itself, with the dish often prepared in a large pan over an open fire, gathering people together in anticipation of the delicious meal to come. And let's not forget about Spain's sweet treats. From the delicate, honey-drenched flaky layers of tarta de Santiago to the warm, sugar-coated churros dipped in thick, rich chocolate, Spanish desserts are the perfect finale to any meal. Every bite in Spain is a journey, a delicious exploration of this land's rich culinary heritage. So, whether you're a foodie seeking your next gastronomic adventure, or a traveler looking to immerse yourself in local culture, remember that in Spain, to eat is to love, to live, and to celebrate. Every stone in Spain's grand monuments whispers tales of the past. Let's turn our attention to these architectural wonders that have stood the test of time, telling stories of a bygone era. Take the Sagrada Familia, for instance. This iconic basilica in Barcelona, designed by the legendary architect Antoni Gaudí, is a masterpiece in progress. Even though construction started over a century ago, the basilica is still under construction, a testament to Gaudí's vision of creating a structure so grand and intricate that it mirrors the magnificence of nature itself. Moving south, we find ourselves in Granada, home to the Alhambra. This fortress palace complex, with its intricate Islamic art and architecture, paints a vivid picture of the Moorish influence in Spain. Its elegant courtyards, lush gardens, and stunning views of the city below make it a sight to behold. But Spain's architectural marvels are not limited to grand structures alone. Step into the historic streets of Toledo, and you'll find yourself walking through a living museum. Known as the City of Three Cultures, Toledo has been influenced by Christian, Muslim, and Jewish cultures, each leaving their unique mark on its landscape. From the Gothic cathedral to the synagogue of Santa Maria la Blanca and the Mosque of Cristo de la Luz, the city's architecture is a beautiful blend of diverse cultures and histories. These historic landmarks are more than just tourist attractions. They are symbols of Spain's diverse cultural heritage, each structure a page from the country's rich historical tapestry. They stand as reminders of the past, providing glimpses into the lives, beliefs, and artistic expressions of the people who built them. As we wander through these architectural marvels, we're not just sightseeing. We're time traveling, exploring the stories etched in stone and mortar, unraveling the mysteries of civilizations past. We're connecting with the soul of Spain, understanding its essence through the structures that have stood tall through the ages. These architectural marvels are a testament to Spain's rich history, standing tall as reminders of a past that shaped the present. Beyond the beaten path lie hidden treasures of Spain, waiting to be discovered. You've experienced the vibrant festivals, savored the symphony of Spanish flavors, and marveled at grand architectural wonders. Now, we'll venture off the well-trodden tourist track to uncover Spain's lesser-known jewels. Imagine a place where time stands still, where whitewashed houses perch atop rugged hills, their sun-bleached roofs gleaming in the Mediterranean sun. This is Andalusia's white villages, or pueblos blancos. Nestled in the heart of southern Spain, these quaint hamlets offer a glimpse into a serene, unhurried pace of life. With their narrow, winding streets, flower-filled balconies, and stunning panoramic views, the Pueblos Blancos are a tranquil retreat from the bustling cities. But the allure of Spain's hidden gems doesn't stop there. Venture further south where the Atlantic waves caress the golden sands of Costa de la Luz. Far from the crowded resorts of Costa del Sol, these pristine beaches are a haven for those seeking solitude amidst nature's beauty. Here you can bask in the sun, surf the azure waves, or simply lose yourself in the hypnotic rhythm of the sea. Then, there's the enchanting forest of El Hierro, a UNESCO biosphere reserve tucked away in Spain's Canary Islands. With its mist-shrouded laurel trees and unique volcanic landscapes, El Hierro is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. So whether it's the serene white villages of Andalusia, the untouched beaches of Costa de la Luz, or the mystical forests of El Hierro, Spain's hidden gems offer something for every intrepid explorer. Each of these locations holds a unique charm, a story that's waiting to be discovered, a memory that's waiting to be made. These serene and stunning locations are the heart of Spain, offering a tranquil retreat from the bustling cities. In these hidden corners of Spain, you'll find not just picturesque landscapes but a deeper connection with the land and its people. So the next time you find yourself in Spain, venture beyond the familiar and let the magic of these hidden gems unfold before your eyes. Traveling through Spain is an adventure in itself, but with a few tips and tricks, you can make your journey even more magical. First, let's talk about timing. While Spain is a year-round destination, each season has its own charm. Spring and fall offer mild weather, fewer crowds, and lower prices, making them ideal for exploring the country's historic cities and vibrant festivals. When it comes to getting around, Spain's public transportation is efficient and affordable. Trains connect major cities while buses are great for reaching smaller towns. And don't forget about the metro systems in cities like Madrid and Barcelona. They're a quick and easy way to navigate the bustling city streets. Spain is also a paradise for food lovers, but eating here can be a different experience. The Spanish typically eat late, with lunch around 2 in the afternoon and dinner not until 9 at night or later. Tapas, small dishes meant for sharing, are a staple at Spanish bars and a great way to try a variety of local flavors. Budgeting for your trip is another important aspect. While Spain is generally more affordable than other European countries, prices can vary greatly. Cities like Barcelona and Madrid tend to be pricier, while smaller towns and rural areas offer more bang for your buck. One budget-friendly tip: take advantage of Spain's Menú del Día, a fixed-price lunch menu offered by many restaurants. And finally, when packing for your trip, remember that Spain is a country of contrasts. From the hot summers of Andalusia to the cooler mountain climates of the north, it's best to pack layers to be prepared for any weather. With these tips, your journey through Spain will be as magical as the destination itself. Our journey through Spain may have come to an end, but the memories and experiences we've shared will last a lifetime. We've danced in the vibrant festivals, savored the symphony of Spanish flavors, marveled at the architectural wonders, and unearthed hidden treasures tucked away in serene locations. Spain is not just a destination, it's a sensation, a celebration of life, culture, and history. It's a story waiting to be told, and we hope we did justice to its enchanting tale. If you've enjoyed this journey, do give us a thumbs up and share the magic of Spain with others. We're curious to know your favorite part of this adventure, so drop a comment below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and join us on more adventures around the globe. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.